doesn't look like swirling. I don't think that's anything to worry about. I think the closest thing to swirling would be like that over there, but that's nothing to worry about. There's not really any greenish color in the sky. Not really at all. I think it just felt the raindrop. I think it's raining. I think. You can see where the storm ends. Looks like heaven, but you know. The sirens are just on. Some lightning there. Sirens were talking about, this talking sirens, they were talking about thunderstorms, but I just kept getting warnings about tornadoes coming up from Devil's Tower. I don't see anything, you know. The sky isn't really changing either. That's a good thing, you know. You can usually see when a tornado is forming, because you can see, oh, look at that right there. Doesn't that almost look like maybe it's either that or that.